Okay, we are starting the urinary system now, and we're going to go over sort of an overview of the urinary system. Okay, so if I draw this little picture of a person. This little guy here. Okay, so we know we just went over, or just finished, the digestive system, and we know that that's just a big tube that runs down your body. And we also know, hopefully you remember, this area is not in your body, okay? So that means this over here is in your body. So what is in there? And basically what's in there are cells. I mean, yes, we have organs, but organs are just collections of cells that do the same thing, that make tissues, and tissues make organs, okay? So ultimately, we're just a bunch of cells. And cells are basically full of water and full of salty water. Okay? And those cells actually float in salty water. So we're just big bags of salty water walking around, really. Blood itself is salty water, right? That's what basically plasma is. So the kidneys basically monitor this. The urinary system monitors the fluids in your body and the components that are in those fluids. So the kidneys monitor the qualities of blood. It's your filter, right? So it filters out the waste products of metabolism. So basically, that's what the urinary system does. Now, what kind of things do the kidneys filter? Well, they filter hydrogen atoms, so they have an effect on pH. All right. They have an effect on ion concentrations. So things like sodium, potassium, bicarbonate. I already said hydrogen atoms, or excuse me, ions. Calcium, and on and on and on. Okay, so they deal with and filter out the things we don't need or have too much of, hold on to things that we need, that type of thing, so have an effect on those ion concentrations. Also has an effect on glucose concentration. So it reabsorbs glucose that's filtered out of the blood. It also takes a part in gluconeogenesis. So it has a direct effect on glucose concentration. We know already, or we should remember, that it does secrete a hormone, erythropoietin, which has an effect on blood cell formation, targets the bone marrow. It, put that, erythropoietin, okay? And it also activates vitamin D, which is needed for calcium absorption. So it does a whole lot of stuff. It works directly with the cardiovascular system. Okay, so we're going to talk about what happens within the urinary system, but we're going to be focusing on the kidney and how those kidneys work. So let's get ready to do that.